What's up? What's up? What's up, Grow Crypto? What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm just trying to get some things set up real quick. All right, sweet. Um, yeah, so I shorted CGC pre-market just a small amount because pre-market trading is I won't say it's sometimes difficult, so you have to be careful. So I don't use the size I use normal market, but or regular trading hours. But yeah, I shorted some off this 54.34 line that I have, and then I tried to short more here. This was actually the plan is to short here and add a little bit more here, kind of just double my position here. Um, but I was slow getting my order, and then this second pop didn't make it. My order was at 54.85, just 'cause I don't know, like that's just how I do it. Um, and then I had an order to cover at 53.80, and then another one at really the line is 53.52, but my cover is at 53.60 because I want to hit it before that line. And with marijuana bouncing, this is perfect. This is so awesome. I'm so glad that they're bouncing instead of just dying. And I mean, usually they do bounce, so I'm not surprised. But after IGC and um, NBEV had the offerings out, I was like, oh no, hopefully this doesn't kill it. Saying that, if TLRY doesn't do an offering, I will be shocked. There's no reason for them not to. Let's take a look at ACBFF. So this will that their offering may kill it. All right, so we could try some short ACBFF, but I kind of want to see how these open up. Let's clean up this list a little bit. I'm gonna watch that, gonna watch that, not gonna watch this. This thing's a joke. Definitely not watching BPNX. Ooh, I'm gonna keep an eye on GERN. OGEN. Ironic that it's down 17%. Like, man, that entry at 114 would have been so perfect. I don't know if I would have swung some 10 cents a share. I know it got to like 98, maybe a small swing, but that's a sick move. I wish I didn't miss that. Apple, no, I'm not gonna watch that. ACST, watchable. Eh. Oh yeah, this is definitely on the watch list. And I'm gonna add some others. I haven't even really checked my scanners yet, like only momentarily. And the only reason I'm watching NVCN is because it's a really crappy stock. All right, sweet. So that's set up. I like CRON short more than I like CGC, but CGC was right at the line, so I figured I'd give it a try. Whereas I think I took off some of these lines on CRON. All right, try to get this set up a little bit better on my other screen. Um, okay, don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. All right. So let's take a look at ACB and kind of make a little plan here. Okay, so I have highs at 970. So if this is sitting above, this is breaking out to new highs. I'm probably not getting in here, right? If it's sitting above 970, this is breaking out. Well, you know what? I take that back. I know it's been higher because I shorted it at a higher price. Let's make some more lines. So these are tough. Let's zoom in on this. Definitely some resistance right here at 1120. All right, I don't want to add too many, but yeah, those are the areas. Those are the three areas. So if this was the case, right, and I'm gonna wait till this 1121 area before I attack it. Now, the difference is, oh shit. Um, the difference is if this opens above this and then keeps tapping this 970 area and can't get higher, then it's a short. Yeah, I don't know why that's not there. The volume histogram, I do like to have that there. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it goes away, but I could just add it. It's a cool feature. It should be on. Oh, yeah. The reason why it's not on is because I'm on a 1 month or a 1 year chart. If I go to the daily, it should pop up. I think maybe once the market opens, it'll show. All right, so sweet, we got that stuff going. Um, Hold on, I gotta send a message. All right. Hold on, I just gotta. All right. All right, so let's take a look at CGC. Let's see if I could get filled on the rest of this position. All right. Also, so let's take a look at some of these other stocks. APDN, NBEV. All right, so those, yeah, so CEI. All right, now let's find out why these are moving. All right, CEI. Applied DNA expands cannabis tagging portfolio to address large growers. Um, I have a Robinhood account. I'm not like affiliated with Robinhood. I'll bring up my Robinhood account too today because I continue to forget. Here's my Robinhood account. This is a small account, but growing your account is difficult. So, and it kind of sucks because I have CRON puts, and CRON is climbing. But yeah, this is my Robinhood account. Uh, I'm not going to be trading in it too often, but I'm going to start adding some longer term investments. Just small stuff because this is a small account. So if I need my positions have to be so small on long term trades, all right? But I'll bring that up in a bit once the market slows down. All right, so back to CEI. Announced today that is launching an additional system to tag the industry larger volume cannabis or hemp grows as part of the TheraCan solution on the Heels tagging system. Applied DNA is expanding tagging offerings to accommodate different sizes of growers in the industry. All right, no clue what any of that shit means. Let's take a look at something I will understand. All right. Okay, so this used to be an independent oil and natural gas company, and now they're into marijuana. Okay, red flag. No, no revenue growth. Gross profit, um, not that great. Operating income. Okay, research. All right, this company's horseshit. This company sucks. Oh my God, this company sucks. So no cash, right? Cash burn. Total debt 36 million. Total liabilities 42 million. Current liabilities 41 million. Current assets 1 million. Okay, that's awful. This is Trader Workstation by Interactive Brokers. All right, let's take a look at the SEC filings on CEI. All right, CEI. This is today's 8K. Let's take a look at this. Let's see who the hell just bought this. Okay, let's look at see if they have any Form 4s. Form 3 right here. Form 3 and a Form 4. All right, let's break this down a little bit. This is the 8K that they filed today, which is basically what we just read. Asset purchase agreement. We just realized that they don't really have many assets. Oh, they have 90 million in. Not sure what's going on with the depreciation. Let's just read this. Agreeing to pay $100 in cash to assume all of our obligations and debt owed to IBC Bank. All right, hold on. I gotta write some of this stuff down real quick. All right. So IBC Bank. Now we gotta see how much debt they owe them. All right, hold on. Let's see if we can find a 10K. All right. IBC Bank loan default. That's always a good thing to read. Huh. This company's shit. The lender loaned 40 million no equal to greater of 425,000 and 50% of monthly income. The proceeds of the loan were used to repay and refinance $36 million in indebtedness owned by a certain seller lender. Okay, the amount. Pledging shares, DBS pledging shares, pledging shares. On September 17th, the companies received a notice of default from ICE, failing to make a required payment of $425,000. So I have a feeling that this asset purchase agreement is probably going to be, I don't even know, authorize increase our common shares to 200 million to 500 million. One for 25 reverse stock split. And when did that take place? March 2018. This is ugly. This is ugly. I don't even know how much cash they're gonna raise for this asset purchase agreement that they're just filed. All right, 10Q. How many shares? So they increased their shares from 15 million to 40 million. Hold on a second. All right, we got 15 minutes till the market opens. Let me see what's going on with CGC. 53.87. All right, let's see how many shares there are. Oh, fuck, there's no more shares to borrow on CEI. Well, hopefully this thing can run. But let's just keep reading about this a little bit. Um, Give me 1 minute, guys. Hold on. All right. All right, let's take a look at these. So they acquired shares 524, 524, 524. 524, 1 year chart. So they acquired shares at 25 cents, about 25 to 30 cents. Indirect ownership. I'm not, we'll have to look into those companies. Hopefully, if this runs higher, we can sit in. Okay, so they didn't buy anything. They bought 250 shares, 856 shares. Oh, let me put this on the screen. They bought 250 shares, 856 shares, and 457 shares. And we just saw that the price was 25 cents. That can't be right. This had to be pre-stock split. No. Because now they only own 25,000 or 2,500, 141,000 and 2,283. That's like nothing. Let's take a look at this Form 3. All right, it's not filled. Take a look at this one. All right, those are useless. Discover Growth Fund. Let's see what this company owns. They own 10% of the company. All right. And this is all they own. Red flag. Let's see what this place looks like. It's just inside an office building. Big building. What's the name of this place? Louisiana Street. A lot of offices. So they probably just have one little office in this building, and that's their corporation, to be honest. All right, so that's not useful. Sometimes if you can see, it's like no cash. So they've been raising cash, for sure. But since I have no shares, I'm not going to focus on this as much, but they have no cash, right? We can see cash position, 420,000, current assets, 1.3 million, current liabilities, 40 million. Okay. I'm not too good at math. That's awful. You're screwed. So they have property that maybe that's part of the asset purchase agreement. So let's just go and look at liquidity and going concern, current liabilities and total current assets. Result of a working capital deficit of $40 million. That is so bad. That is so bad. Like, how the hell did they get there? They must have got sued. On December 30, 2000, we enter an asset purchase agreement to acquire blah 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 blah. Issued shares. Issued shares. Okay, the same thing's happening. This isn't the first time that this company's been in this same situation. In 2015, they did the same thing. Okay, so let's look at the 5-year chart. And 2015, they did a 1-for-5. You can see they did a stock split. We got a spike. These are pump and dumps, right? Big spike, die. Big spike, die. Big spike, die. Big spike, die. The only thing we can hope for right here is a big spike so we can lay into it short. I don't have shares yet, and that's okay because this is only day one, or is this day two? Let's take a look. So yesterday, I think this probably moved after hours. Um, oh no, this moved yesterday. So from 25 to 50, so up 100%, and now from 50 to 72. Hopefully this goes to $1. You know what? Let's take a look at this as well. What's up? Um, what's up, Douglas? What's up, Armando? Yeah, they're screwed. Well, they're not going to own the building. Any buildings that they own, they're going to be selling because they're in massive deficit. So let's take a look at what was I going to look at? Two things. First, let's go here. Stock split history. CEI. All right, so we got 5 minutes. I gotta focus on some other stuff, but let's just take a look at this. So if you bought this in 2008, you would be down 99%. This stock sucks. I think it's interesting that they're doing marijuana now, but yeah, this is a scam for sure. So if you're long the stock, definitely be careful. You don't want to get trapped. Yeah, Sweet. Don't be afraid to let go of those shares. This company's awful, so it'll be going lower than 41 cents. I don't know when. It could go to $5 first. Just be careful. All right, let's take a look at CGC and the rest of the marijuana stocks. All right. So I'm gonna be watching CRON for sure. 1250. I'm not gonna be trading much at the open. I'm gonna be taking it easy. Um, I don't want to chase anything. Hopefully CIE or CEI goes higher. This is a stock that we talked about yesterday. Got absolutely destroyed. I didn't short any. I wish I did. But now hopefully we can hope that this is a trap and it goes higher. All right. So that's that. What's everyone trading? This is a main watch. If this goes above $1, I will be watching this. This is for sure short. Oh, perfect. NBEV, go higher. I said I wouldn't enter a trade until 495 if we can get there and I can get some shares available to short. But also I'm being careful today. Yesterday's setup, right? This is an A++ setup. This is like when you size in, you go big and you hit a home run. Like I shorted this at 495 and I covered at 375. But this is a completely different setup today. Just because yesterday was a A+ setup doesn't mean today is an A+ setup. This is a different situation. Because now, let me just go over this really quick before the market opens. Because now you have all these people that were shorting in here. Well, now they're underwater. All the people that were shorting in here, also underwater. So if this goes above 495, hopefully we could get it back up to 6. Hopefully we could get it back up to 7. Hopefully it makes new highs. I don't care. Um, so you need to be careful and you need to understand that short sellers under this 425 line are trapped. Short sellers under 450 are trapped. They're sitting there like, oh crap, should I cover? Should I buy? Or should I buy? Should I cover? Should I short more? Longs are sitting here saying, oh my gosh, it's going back up. So definitely be careful with that one. All right. So if CGC hits my entry, I'll probably get stopped out and hopefully be able to short some at 54.85. All right. We have to watch TLRY to know. In CGC, I have to pull up on my other screen. So ACBFF over 10. Yeah, my level 2 on CGC is skipped. Needs to get readjusted. Damn it, CR1 flushed. Flushed at the open. What TLRY do? I think TLRY could squeeze. I'm hoping. So let's keep an eye on that. CGC. Level 2 is not working. I think it could go higher. Let's see if we could get TLRY to squeeze. A squeeze on TLRY would be ideal. It's looking a little heavy though. All right. Uh, so nothing yet. I could try a CRON starter at 12. Fuck, I just got filled on CGC. Bastard. I mean, I'm not upset. I'm a little upset because I could have tried to let that run down to 52, but whatever. I can always reshort it. Hopefully we'll get a pop back up. Let's take a look at CRON. See if we could get a decent entry here. Probably a little bit too late to the party, but whatever. I caught CGC. Um, I don't know if I'll have a lot of trades today. Oh, big drop CEI, no kidding. Because this is an awful stock. So it wouldn't surprise me if this crashed, but I think they're gonna try to push this to $1. And that's another thing I was gonna check. I just gotta keep an eye on TLRY. And hopefully CRON can pop and get me filled. Alright. ACBFF 1010. Alright, CRON, I might get some filled here. Okay. Alright, so I shorted some CRON. Let's see how this plays out. Gotta keep an eye on TLRY. If TLRY squeezes, CRON will squeeze as well. CGC bounced off that line, that 52, 53, 52 line. Now grinding up. TLRY. Um, let's see if CRON is gonna bounce with marijuana, then it's simple. I'll cover. If it's gonna get stuck under that 1230 area, then I'm gonna let it ride and probably till 12. Let's just take a watch. Alright, so on level 2, CRON has got some support in the now it's got some support around 1230. But now we got some big sellers on the 1240 line. So far marijuana's bouncing. CRON looks like it's a little bit heavy compared to the rest of the group. So let's continue to watch. I think TLRY should squeeze a bit, and I definitely wouldn't mind. For you guys watching on YouTube, if you can, uh, subscribe if you like this. I'll probably try to go over one stock every morning and just give like an analysis or something. Uh, I don't know. We'll figure some stuff out. But definitely subscribe, and I'll be making like more educational videos and stuff. Awesome. Thank you, dude. Appreciate that. Sweet. Especially like if you guys are trying to learn how to trade penny stocks, um, I'm also going to be starting this new, like it's like a group chat, and I'm not going to be looking at the chat so much on YouTube and on Twitch, but if you're in my group chat, I'm going to be posting all kinds of really cool stuff. I have so much stuff if you're trying to learn how to trade stocks. Um, I'll just show you guys some of the tools that I use. Hold on. I got to log into my account, but I'll be sharing all this stuff with you guys. 'Cause I want to try to add as much value as I can and help people stop losing money. Like, so if you're chasing CEI up here, you're done. You lost. I don't know how much. Depends how much money you're playing with. Now, let's see. You can buy a bounce on CEI, but just know that this company is awful and they're probably diluting you. And that's just something you need to be aware of. Helmenens. I'm from Sweden. I'm trying to get into trading these mainly one websites for trading in Sweden, but it's not live charts for American stocks from what I can see. What kind of software do you recommend for a new user? I trade this broker that I have. They offer, I'm pretty sure it's an international brokerage. So I'm going to be making a video and posting it to YouTube. Uh, going over a couple things like brokerages and stuff. S- Definitely try to check out that video. Oh, Armando, if you want a free share of stock, you can use my referral code and we will each get like it's like $5, but it's free and it's cool, I guess. I can send it to you via chat, I think, if you just wait 1 second before opening an account. Also, so this is a international broker, and I have been using them for years. It is a little expensive. I think the minimum might be 10,000 or 15,000. Might be 25,000, honestly. I don't know. It's been a while, but I'll be trying to make a video explaining, you know, the basically the oh, perfect. NBEV. I said that 495 areas where I'd be shorting if I had shares. I do not have shares, so I can't short it. But let's see. And if it breaks above 5 and it holds, I would be getting out. But I would highly recommend this broker if you're from Sweden, like you said, and you can't. All right, so I just threw that link in the chat on YouTube if you want to. And yeah, I'll link the YouTube channel to my Twitch. Also, guys, definitely check out my chat. Like I'm gonna be posting some serious stuff in there. So if you guys really want to learn this stuff, definitely take advantage of that. All right, so CRON, I'm gonna cover some. Ooh, get under that 95. I gotta take some off though. Let's try to get some off here at 12. Dang, I was too slow. I was too busy posting YouTube links on my fucking thing. All right, a little bit of patience. Dang, I knew that was gonna bounce off that 1150 95 line. That would have been a nice dip buy. So, all right, I should get filled here. Oh my God, only person that's not getting filled. Jeez. All right, patience, 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 patience. I might have to cover in the 12-10 area, but I want that 30 cents a share. All right, so I got filled. Yo, hold on, my dog's making noise and I gotta get her ball. All right, sorry about that. All right, so I covered half there at 12. That was a nice 30 cents a share. Well, you can open up there's other accounts that you can use, I know $25,000 is a lot of money, but there's other accounts that you can use that have smaller minimum deposits, such as Robinhood. I don't know if it's available yet in Sweden, but their minimum deposit is zero, like it's $0. So definitely see if there's a similar broker in your area. But yeah, I know a few people that trade from overseas, and I think you can try Trade Zero. I think that's a foreign broker that you could try. All right, I'm gonna take the rest off CRON just because this isn't a prime play. You know what? I'll give it a minute. I'll give it a minute. Give it a minute. Because I don't want to say like, oh, I kind of already nailed CGC and I nailed CRON. I'm gonna call it a day because that's not really how I work. But I have some other things that I need to get done today, and I nailed these two right off the bat. Yeah, so definitely look into Trade Zero. I think that is, or just type in on Google like broker brokerage account or brokerage firm Sweden. You should get a list. I have to pay for this feed. It's like $120. I looked it up. I'm paying $120 a month for this. All these quotes, live charts. So it's not really cheap, but you don't need all of this. You can use free stuff. And even though it is delayed, I mean, you would want to find live charts, live level 2. I use this a lot. So, of course, right off 95, under 95, and now their shares available. I know they do this on purpose. That would have been a huge win. That's just how this game works, though. I can't, honestly, I really can't be disappointed. Same with IGC. Man, yeah, no. You gotta find someone else. There's gotta be someone else. If you haven't, I think Trade Zero. I think Trade Zero. So definitely try to look into them. Let's see if we could get a bounce on IGC and a reasonable entry at like 270 or so. Let's take a look at NBEV. We could try some 75. Let's let's watch. This could be a trap. I'm not sold on it. Damn it. Now there's shares available on CEI. Absolute fucking tank. Yeah, today we could have nailed this. Could have nailed this. But the only thing I can hope for is if it goes higher and I could get filled. I don't know. Dang. Bummer. But, we had two nice trades. I'm still in CRON. Mm, not too crazy about it now. Ooh, 3,000 shares already gone, of course. This was such a nice move. 20 cents on a 50-cent stock. That's a lot of money. NBEV, I wouldn't have, this isn't an A plus setup. This is like a B. Maybe a little bit higher than a B. It's like a B plus setup. Decent trade. I mean, this thing can go way down, guys. So let's hope we can get a bounce out of these. They're all following TLRY. All right. Nice bounce on TLRY. All right, let's cover this position on CRON. Oh, no, wait, hold on. Let's wait a second. I just got slammed down. We'll watch CRON for a minute. Ooh, nice, probably a nice entry for CGC right there. All right, CRON. This looks heavy. This looks heavy. Might get 1156. I really think marijuana is going to squeeze today, but if it doesn't, we could get a nice crash. Alright, so CRON is testing that area. This thing's so done. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Alright, TLRY is kind of looking weak. CGC is not falling yet. We missed the entry. We could see that down. Let's look at this piece of shit stock. See what I said about ACBFF? Since it's breaking out to new highs, it's dangerous to short it. When you have other plays like CRON not breaking to new highs, you have CGC not breaking new highs. Ooh, please NBEV, please, please, please squeeze high. Way, way higher, way, way higher. All right. Awesome, dude. I appreciate that. I really do. Hopefully I can help as many people as possible. Um, and like I said, I'm seriously I'm making a chat thing, and I'm gonna be posting. If you really want to learn this stuff, I'm gonna be posting so much information. Like I have files on my computer from years and years ago, just stuff I've accumulated over the years. And yeah, it's going to be a Discord. It I'm gonna it's gonna be really good. And it doesn't matter if there's only like 10 people in there or 3 people or if there's 150 because like the less people that's in there, the more time you'll have and I can answer more questions. But the more people that are in there, the more eyes that we'll have and we can, like really work as a group. Like say AMRN is running and I'm not watching it, but someone else is. They can tell it to the chat and you know, if we can get even if there's 10 people, if there's 10 of me and we all know this stuff really well, we could be attacking everything on the market. So like the easy research that I just did on CEI. Well, but yeah, my goal is to try to uh get people to really know how this game works, know the tricks that people play like that. Okay, this is all right, let's just say you had 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares on a 70-cent stock. It's only 7,000 bucks, right? And now you just made 57 13 cents. So you just made 1,300 bucks. Uh dude, I mean, that's 1,300 bucks in what? I mean, It's not even 30 minutes. $1,300 in 30 minutes. 2 seconds. Like that's, I mean, you could be done for the day. My girlfriend doesn't even make that much at her job in a week, in 2 weeks. So, um, yeah, there's a lot of money to be made here. Yeah, I day trade every single day. I also have another job, which is kind of why I want to focus. I mean, if in a perfect world, I would just do this every single day. Um, right? All day, every day. But I also have a job at nights and early in the morning, so I can't just sit and do this every day. I have another job. I install water heaters, and I'm trying to save up money to get a graduate degree. So I can't just leave that. I can't just leave that money because that basically this is like my savings. I mean, I'm making a good amount of money on here, but yeah, I gotta have money to pay just like my monthly expenses. So that's why I'm working for that. I'm working for a family friend installing the heaters, and it's a good job. It's cool. It's really not bad. I actually enjoy doing it. I enjoy the person I work with. Uh, I would consider opening a job similar to that because he makes really good money doing that. He owns his own business and he's got like 25 years of experience, but I do their books too, and whoa, don't underestimate that. Wow, and Bev washing. Damn, huge miss. Huge. IGC, same. Dip buy, dip buy, dip buy, dip buy. Oh my god. No, it's not a dip buy. Everyone's trying to short this thing because it's a piece of shit. But yeah, no. Definitely trying to focus on this stuff. I like value investing too. Follow my Instagram account. It's on my Twitch. Uh yeah, no, I'm gonna try to do this, like focus as much as I can on this. Oh my gosh. So that $1,300 is now $1,700. I mean, if I shorted 10,000 shares of this, I would have covered some right here, covered some right here. But I'm leaving the rest to ride. Oh, definitely covering some right here. Or no, right here. But so that's 2,000 bucks. I didn't have shares available, which sucks. Uh, dang, that was a huge miss. Prime, prime setup. This is a day two move. This isn't an A plus setup, but this is a good setup. This is a money maker for sure. Now you have to be cautious. If this squeezes higher, let it go. You're out. You're in. You're out. You're done. But if this is playing out the way it is, you let that thing ride, dude. Let it go red. This still has 16 cents to go down. So don't be afraid to let some ride. Like, look at what I'm doing on CRON, right? Nailed it, 12.30. Made 30 cents a share. Now, I'm letting it ride. If what? Okay, this goes up to 12.10. I cover. No big deal. Now, what? I made 25 cents a share. That's still a good amount of money. Um, yeah. So I don't have my thing set up yet. I don't know Discord that well, but I could share the website with you. Definitely follow me on here. I'm gonna try to get stuff set up. Wow, she's cute. She doesn't come with the subscription though, sadly. But yeah, this is my page. I'll put a link in the things. All right. Follow me. This is where I'm going to be hooking up my chat. And we're going to be making money. There's so many people out there that are doing this that are idiots. I've subscribed to like 4 of them just to find out what the hell they're doing. They have no clue how to trade stocks. Okay. I come on here every day and I trade and I win. And there's a lot of people. I get so many DMs on my Instagram account every day of people like, I want to learn, I want to learn, I want to learn. Okay. I'm making something for everyone to learn, and I'm gonna try to make it the best I can. There'll definitely be tons of value. I mean, just even going through, like I said, going through the SEC filings of this, that's $2,000. If you have 7,000, now you have 9,000. Now you can't dump your whole account. But dude, there's no reason why you can't. If you put in, let's just say you shorted 2,000, or let's say you shorted 1,500. 1,500 times 20 cents, 1,500 divided by 0.7. Okay, 2,000 shares, 2,142 times 20 cents, $428. I'm pretty sure if you make 428 or $400 a day, 400 times 252 working days, well, that's $100,000 a year. Now, there's not going to be plays like this every day, and that's why I can't stress enough that when you do get a play like this, you let it run because, you know, maybe you only get one trade a week that pays off, and this is it. So you're not making $400 on this trade. You're trying to make $800 on this trade. You're trying to make at least like you need a. Everyone's going to be different based on how big their accounts are, but yeah, like that's a nice setup. I mean, even CRON, 30 cents a share. If you have whatever, 30 cents a share, you have 1,200 bucks, you make 30 bucks. And you grow it, and you constantly grow and grow and grow and grow. And that's the point of this, is to continue to be consistent and grow. And you're going to take losses, right? It's inevitable. You will have losses. But the key is having your losses outweigh your winners have to outweigh your losers by a lot. And if you don't, if I did I put my YouTube channel? I made a video on a trading recap on my trades yesterday. Go back, watch it, and look at IGC. So much, so much, so much info on there. I'm not the best at explaining everything, but that info is high quality. No, I'm not. I wouldn't buy CRON. Any good buys? I'm not the best at longing stocks, but like I said, that 235 area, that's no joke. Like, look at the chart, dude. I said 235. It tapped 235 and now it's at 250. You think I just put this line here for no reason? Like that's important. And it sounds like, why didn't I do that? Well, that's not my style. Same with CRON. 195. Well, okay, 195. Scalp it. 195 to 1205. 10 cents. Do that a couple times? You don't know. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I wouldn't buy CRON. There's a reason why I haven't covered the rest of my shares yet. And that's because I don't believe in this stock. Um, and IGC is an awful company too. Like, that's why I don't buy these. I like to short them. I feel safer. I don't panic. Sometimes I will give it a go. not all the time. So every setup is different. Every setup has its own grade, and it's important to be able to determine the different setups for yourself, right? Because I get people asking me, what should I buy? What should I trade? Well, you need to learn how to do it on your own, and that's how you're gonna make money. Relying on someone else is not gonna make you money, but learning for yourself will make you money. And there's no doubt in my mind that people can make money doing this. I've been doing it for years. The reason why I can do this is because there's so many people out there that have no clue what they're doing, and they're showing up to play against me every day. So if I show up to the Lakers practice and I try to hop in, well, am I going to be successful? Hell no, those guys are going to tear me apart. So if I'm a pro at this, why are you going to come onto my court and try to play me? No, that's not going to work. You have to learn this stuff. You have to practice it. You have to get better. Then you hop in, and then you start competing. And just like when you're a rookie in the league, you don't just come in day one success. Like Steph Curry wasn't a superstar his rookie season. It took him a while to figure out how the game works, to figure out what his strategy is, what his goals are, how he can improve. And that's kind of how this game works too. I would compare it to sports. It's very competitive. Like people that bought this, they're losing money. Whoever filled my short, they're losing money. I'm literally taking money out of their pocket, putting it into mine. So, yeah, that's how this game works. And it's fun. Man, like, I thoroughly look forward to waking up. I wake up early. I come to my computer, I turn it on, I look at some of the news, I sit back, and now market opens, I trade. I mean, and I could be done today if I want. I'm about to be done actually because I have a lot of other things that I'm trying to do that I need to get done today. But definitely subscribe, definitely follow me. I'm starting a Twitter, I have an Instagram, and where do I get the news from? I have a so I can just get the news sent right through this program. So when I read the news earlier on CEI, oh my God, this is a payday. This is under 50 for sure. Dude, you pay for your subscription in one trade. Look at that. All right, you guys want to try to dip buy it? Is that too risky? Where'd it go yesterday? All right, let's look at 42 cents. This is tough. This is a tough trade. But let's see if we can get it to work. It needs to happen quick. It needs to just slam down, bounce up. I'm scared to make this trade because this is not this is not a good setup. Definitely don't put your whole account. This is like a average at best setup that we're gonna catch a falling knife at 42 cents. If this goes against me, I am covering ASAP because this is not good. But this shit'll work. Bet. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh shit. Hurry up, Tyler. All right, let's see if this works. If this doesn't work, I'm out in a second. I might even cancel this order. I have to see some bids stack at 42. All right, well, fuck. We're missing the move. Right off that line. That line, I put that line there way before this thing crashed. You would have gotten filled. My order wasn't in yet. Damn it, it's already bouncing. Would have been sick. All right, I'm taking that order off. Can't play it anymore. Darn it. I hope it goes higher, kinda. Oh, it's getting washed out. Dude, that's a lot of money. This is probably, I would have a big cover here, and if I had enough left, I'd be riding it down to red. And once it goes red, it's over. It's game over. Literally game over. There's a lot of selling pressure here. Anyone who bought in here, they're now underwater. They're so screwed. They're losing so much money. But man, that dip would have been sick. Up through 45. Get through 46. I'd be taking some off, just a little bit off here, because you got to lock in profits on a stock like this. This is an awful, awful company. You're not going to get, I don't think you're going to get a big bounce. So at 45, you make 3 cents a share on this awful company. Ugh. So let's just say you bought 3,000 shares. At 42, you sell some, you could sell them all at whatever. You can sell them all at 45 if you wanted to. That's 90 bucks. A 3 cent move is $90 on this stock. And I mean, dude, yeah, you bottom ticked it, but look at that thing. We hit the bottom. That thing hit the bottom. Let me move back to better candles. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Dude, we bottom ticked that. This line bottom ticked that. 46. You could sell them at 45. You make 3 cents a share. You sell them at 6, you make 4 cents a share. That's $120. And then, okay, sell half. Then now you got whatever. You sell half at 42.50. You still make money. You could sell it at 43. Still make money. You have to be quick, but you can, I mean, now the bids are starting to stack. This thing could go to 48. Let's see where it could go. 49. It could go to 49. Definitely. 49 is very makeable. 50, I would sell for sure at 50. If you make 7 cents a share, 200, $210. I mean, dude, this is seconds. I mean, you can see, look at how many bids there are. All right, you sell. Sell more. At 45. It's quick. It might not look like a lot, but this could go to 48. You make 7 cents a share. You have your order already in at 48 and you're selling. You're out. We just missed this trade. I just missed it. Literally just missed it. All right. Dang. CRON tested red, didn't go red. Didn't test it, but it was close to testing it. I want this thing just to touch 48 cents. Let's go back to my chart. I don't like the 1 minute candles. They're ugly as hell. Sick dip buy if you got in. If you had your stuff filled before me, that would have been awesome. Thanks, dude. Come on, go to 48. Go to 48. Go to 48. 48. It just ticked 48. Bam. Ticked it. Saw it. Dang. That would have been a fun trade. I missed it. It would have been fun. Boo-hoo me, but whatever. I'm not into that kind of stuff. But people that can only go long, it's called patience. 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 It's key in this game. You notice I knew this was going down, but I didn't chase it. I wasn't chasing it down because I know there's too much risk, right? Not so much risk up here. This thing slams down, cover, out, done. Buy. Wait until this drops. If it doesn't touch your target, you don't play it. You don't make a trade. Um, like, why am I not in NBEV? Well, because you know what? This is my target. I'm not entering that trade until it hits that area. So that's really it. Now, for the record, I would be way out on CEI. CEI, I'm out. That's it. Done. This goes under 42. I wouldn't be surprised if this goes red on the day. I'm not, I wouldn't be sitting in here long. I would be out for sure. This company's a piece of shit. Oh my gosh, what a miss. Oh my gosh, that makes me sick. Dude, this is why we need a group chat, because we need to know everything that's going on all at once. It'd be so key. That would have been a massive win on OGN. Bummer. Oh, look at JAGX. Oh my gosh, this company sucks too. I know I say a lot of these companies suck, but they really do. CEI is the worst I've seen in a while, though. Dude, let's take a look at the chart. Why would I choose 1 month when I know that it's over 3 months? Alright, I'm still waiting on CRON. I'm gonna give it one last try. If it doesn't break, I gotta call it a day. Get some other work done, and maybe I'll start the live stream later. But let's see if we could get to red on a 11.95 break. And guys, if you can't short the play like CEI, I did it on NBEV, a couple other stocks. Those are the plays you have to look for. I'm not looking for those because those aren't my bread and butter, but those are valuable plays. Should I try this bastard one more time? Nope, spread's too big. Alright, CRON. I want to see it go red. Red for a monster trade. What's up, Banana Orange? IEG. I've played this stock many times before. It's a joke. It doesn't have my interest until it goes to like 70 cents at least. It's not that good. It's not a good company. But yeah, they must have had news. It's up 8%. Not really that much volume, but worth keeping on the watch list. Hopefully it goes a lot higher. Oh, so look at AMRN, right? I made these lines for a reason. To me, this is a buy on this line, the 1278, because I'll tell you why. Yesterday's high of day, 1278. Pre-market high of day, 1278. The morning pop, not a buy. Not a buy. No, don't buy. breaks new highs, dips back down to 1278, pick it up, ride it up. I don't know if this is going to go higher. I don't know. Dude, nice. Yes, 24 bucks, see? Hey, a couple of those, you make that every week. It's just called patience. That's what's up. You need patience. Um, there's ways to make money, and even though I stream, I can't show all the ways. You know, I'm gonna show you what I do, but you need to make your own strategy. You bought it at dude, right on. 500 to 524. Hold on. Let's see. 500 to 524. 5%, baby. That's what's up. Hell, I'm not even making 5% today. No, but that's awesome. That's super sweet. Now, uh I'm glad that you made money on that. But you have to also be sure, like, so let's just say we did this trade. I was trying to do it too, but I'm extremely picky with my entries and exits. I don't mess around. I want the best. Where is Okay, so this is still going up. Now let's say this broke 42. Where were you going to get out? If it went against you, where were you going to get out? That's what's really important. For me, I'm sitting here, I'm out. Under 41, I am out. Okay? Under 40 cents, I'm way out. I'm getting out as fast as possible. Okay? So, I'm giving 3 cents max. I'm really only giving 1 cent. Really, really 1 cent. Okay? Like if I don't bottom tick this, I'll give it like a second. If I have more than like a 1.5 cent loss, I'm out. Okay. Now, if it goes up, my risk is 1.5 cents. My reward was 48. My reward was over. Good. Yeah, perfect. So my reward was 48. That's when I would have been getting out. So 42 to 48 is, why can't I think? 6 cents. Okay. So I had a 6 cent reward over a 1.5 cent risk. That's a trade you make. You need to have a plan. Like I know this because I've been doing it so long, so I could just think of it like that. But yeah, you have to know that stuff too, and that's really important. That's stuff I'm gonna cover in my Discord channel, in my chat, and I'm gonna try to do like I'm trying to put out as much valuable information as I possibly can. And I have a lot of stuff that I can help people make money with. Uh, my current portfolio, I don't share my interactive brokers account info, but my Robinhood account is at like 3,500 for whatever that's worth. And I have a couple other brokerage accounts. How much I'm not gonna tell you guys how much I'm trading with, but you can see my trades all you want. If you want to see how much money I'm making, you can follow my Robinhood account. I will. I have no problem disclosing that because it's just a couple $1,000s. So Robinhood, I'm down 88 bucks today. No biggie. I mean, obviously I'd rather be up, but I'm not gonna. 88 bucks isn't really that big of a deal. Um, wow. CEI is still going. Pretty impressive. 50, I would say, is it's over. Might touch 50. Probably touches 50 at this point. Now that it's over 48. Or yeah, 50 should be the Dunzo point. All right. So that's that. Dude, hell yeah. I'm pumped for you. I'm literally pumped for you, dude. That's awesome. If you're stoked about that, I'm stoked about that. And dude, I don't know, Helmez, just keep working, gain as much capital as possible. I'm not saying this is your calling in life. I thoroughly enjoy doing this. So this is something that I do. But you can make money too. And it doesn't have to be in day trades. You can make money investing. If you follow my Instagram account, I do a lot of research. I found this stock at $3, dude. I sold it at 46 bucks. I bought this thing at $3. Look at that. That's insane. And part of my chat is like I have an investing tab and I want people to be able to, you know, generate money trading stocks maybe, but really look into investing. Dude, sweet. That's a perfect setup for you. Perfect setup for you. I have a similar situation where I can wake up. I mean, sometimes I'm tired as hell, but I can wake up early and I can work night shifts a couple times a week, and that's it for me. And that's what I'm doing now. And I started this Instagram page. It's led to a lot of opportunity. I started the Twitch account. I'm trying to do some stuff on YouTube, but if you're stoked over that, I'm stoked. I'm super happy that you made money. I want everyone to make money, and I want everyone to be able to make money on their own because people just sending me messages, "Hey, how do I make money?" You're not going to make money like that. I can't be there on every trade, but if you can see these plays and you can see these setups for yourself, you got it. You can do it. So definitely consider, definitely follow me on Instagram and definitely consider joining my chat. All right, here goes CEI at 50. It's going to touch 50. Get up there. Also, another thing is um so another thing is, oh, hold on, I gotta watch CRON. Boom, red, awesome. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Now I gotta sit here and work for a couple more hours. I'm not upset at all. I love doing this, but I do have a lot of stuff I gotta get done today. Like I'm trying to make that chat and I hope everyone joins because I think it's gonna be awesome and I'm excited to see how it works. I just want to let's see this hit 50. CRON still trying to go red. Awesome. Let's just watch this hit 50 and then we're out. Then I'm going to take this off. Maybe I'll check it later. Now we have some bids coming in, right? Let's see what the wall looks like at 50 cents. So these are already getting taken out. It's going to hit 50. Okay, 50. No, 50. Bam, hit 50. So from 42 to 50, you make 8 cents a share. You did it. Now it's above 50. It can go, I don't know. I don't know where it can go. It could go back up to 60 cents. Who gives a shit? but it hit 50. It hit all of our targets. You couldn't, and you bottom ticked it. Like, uh, Helmenez. You literally bottom ticked it. You hit it at 43. You basically bottom ticked it. You did it, dude. That was a great trade. Dude, and perfect. You didn't even use your full account. That's awesome. You didn't even use your full account. That's so smart. That's another thing that has to like be talked over, and people need to learn that type of thing. But all right, so if CRON is gonna bounce and not go red, I'm gonna call it a day. But I gotta watch it first. And you know what? Ooh, I like that. That's a wall of sellers. It's not a big wall, but it is a little wall. It'll take a minute to get through that, hopefully. And we're getting to the point where I might have to start adding to my position. Okay. CEI 52 cents. 10 cents a share. I wish I got filled. That would have been a sweet, sweet win. And guys, the only reason I know this about like CEI and stuff is because I've just been doing it for so long, and that's really the value that I can add is just I've seen it. I've seen it. Now, just because I play the other side of this, since I've seen this side so much, I know from experience where if I don't cover here, now I get squeezed and now I cover here, and that's 8 cents a share. Might not look like a lot, but you know, you got 8,000 shares, 10,000 shares on this. Well, 8 cents times 10,000. That's a big difference in what you think you're going home with and what you're putting in your pocket and what you're not. 54 cents. Literally 54 cents. You're making 12 cents a share. You paid for your membership in an hour, not even. So sick. And I wish I had my Robinhood account because I would have taken that. That's something I want to practice more of. And that's kind of the goal of my Robinhood account is to grow it as if, you know, I learned so much about trading when I was growing my account from nothing, right? Like I learned so much. Um, nah, I don't think it's going up more. I don't know at this point. I wouldn't touch CEI at all. I wouldn't want to be in it, long or short. Let it go up to 1. I don't know if it will. It could go back to 30 cents. I wouldn't know. I just know the bounce play. That's about it. I don't know anything else about it. But yeah, I want to try to grow this account to 25,000. It's going to take years. It'll take a long time, but I think it's possible. Well, I know it's possible. I need to focus on it a little bit more and pay better attention to it. Like I should get out of these. They're not going to make me money. I don't know why I'm still in them. I got to get rid of those. But yeah, you guys can grow your small accounts too. So if you're at 500 and you can get up to 1,000, and then next year you could go from 1,000 to 2,000, and then 2,000 to 4, 4 to 6. It's going to take time. And you know what? You're going to need some really big winners, and you're going to need to really work hard. But it's not about, you know, say you have a $500 account and you're just slowly making profits in your account. Now you also have a job. You can't give up your job to do this yet because you have to be a pro. You're working, you're saving, putting it into your brokerage account. Slowly that will build. Plus, your experience will build. Hopefully, you're winning consistently. And then next thing you know, you got $25,000 of your own money, and then you got $50,000, then you might have $100,000. And if you're like me, you want to have $1 million, hopefully in a few years you'll have $1 million too. I mean, and like I'm into investing, like trading these stocks is cool. It's fun, but the real money is in investing. Once the stock market crashes, I'm gonna be all over it. And that's where I'm gonna make my real money. It's just, yeah, one step at a time. Dude, PDT rule is very, very frustrating. I know how annoying it is. I just got flagged on my Robinhood account and I can't make a day trade for 90 days. I'm pissed. I messed up. It's my own fault. And you know what really sucks about that trade that I made that flagged it? I want to say it was this stock. Yeah, it was. It was this stock. And I'll bring you back to the exact trade I made. You guys are gonna laugh at me because I'm in such an idiot. What day is this move? 9:10. This move. You guys won't even believe it. You literally won't even believe what I did. Okay. Market opened. Yeah, okay, it was here. Where is my trade? All right. Market opened. Where is my trade? Whoa. Oh, you know what? This isn't the stock. That's why I can't find it, because that's not the right stock. The stock I traded was AGRX. This is what got me on the PDT rule. This little same day. That's why. That's why I was confused. I remember both of those stocks were moving on the same day. Well, I don't have DOS. I'll probably get it soon. I know they just came out with like the Mac. I think they just came out with the Mac software because I'm trading on a Mac. That's why I have interactive brokers, and that's why I have this. Because it's basically the next best thing. Um, I have a couple other brokerage accounts, but this is the best for me right now. But DOS is sick. Really good software. This is the trade. Yep, this is it. All right. So, what's up, Blazing Hearts? How you doing, dude? Okay, so this is how I got the PDT rule flagged on my account. I bought this thing on my Robinhood account at 46 cents. Okay, that's good that you do that. But one thing about that warrior trading guy, I sub to his channel to see. So, all right, I'll explain the whole thing. All right, first let me tell this trade. Bought this thing at 46 cents. I got scared. I sold it at 45 cents, right? Like I said, I have a very tight um, risk reward on these. Sold it. Came up on my account, said, if you sell this, you will get flagged for PDT rule. Your account will be suspended for 90 days. I said, get me the hell out of this thing ASAP. Next thing I know, at 2 seconds later, stock was at 50. Couple hours later, all the way up to 90 cents, dude. I would have been up, doubled my account, dude. Instead, stopped out for a loss. The stock was down under my buy area for probably no more than 3 minutes throughout the entire day, and I got flagged. It sucked. Oh my gosh, I was so upset. And I couldn't do anything but laugh at myself. All right, that story is over. Now on to Ross. So, I started my Instagram account. Lots of DMs asking me how to trade stocks, how do I get started, what to do. People saying, "Oh, I'm a sub to Ross. I'm not making money." Okay, so I say, okay, let me go check out this guy. Go to his website, pay for a month, log on one time. Immediately, you know this guy's a clown. He has no idea what he's doing. It's pathetic. It's sad. And you know, it's sad to an extent, but I guess he's doing what he's got to do. And he's doing a relatively good job at doing what he's trying to do, but it's a little bit wrong what he's doing. So I watched for like 30 minutes and I was like, dude, this guy's a joke. Haven't been on since. I went on to a couple other people's websites that were reasonable. Yeah, Patrick Wheeland he's like actually trading. He actually is trying. Sometimes he's just not. Yeah, no, he's not like he's good. The one person I recommend is him because he's actually giving you a real perspective of what it's like. Um, good. I like that guy. Like he's actually trying, and he's not like selling you bullshit like Ross, the Tim Sykes guy, the Ricky Goo, whatever. Those guys aren't making money trading, to be honest. Like, dude, oh my gosh. Um, honestly, I don't know about Clay Trader. I'm not subbing to any more of these guys. I just blew like $300 looking at these guys, and I haven't looked at them for more than probably a combined hour and a half. I can already tell. Yeah, no, he's worth watching. He'll give you a real perspective of what it's like to trade. And that's what I respect about him because he's not like fluffing anything. And it's hard, like this isn't easy to make money, right? Like I'm showing you guys my trades because you can see this is my trade. I shorted it here. I bought it here. I'm still short waiting for this thing to crash. Um CGC. I shorted it here, I covered here, and I covered more here, and that was it. That's like you guys can see my trades. Uh, Warrior Trading, dude, the only reason why that guy is making money is he's got thousands of people just doing exactly what he's doing. He's like, okay, he'll take a random stock, like a low float stock. This. This is what he does. Okay, guys, I just bought it at. He buys the breakout. I just bought it at 120. Everyone in the room rushes in. Shoots the price. Oh, I just sold at 150. Everyone rushes, or this would be it. Oh, I just sold at 180. Everyone rushes out. Stock collapses. Game over. Um, so that's why I can't like that guy. That's not how you trade. You don't buy the breakout. No. That's not how you make money, I promise you. Promise, promise, promise. How you make money? You buy the dip. You bottom tick this. No stress. Game. Oh, out. Win. That's how you get it. Okay? How you make money? Short it. Fall. Cover. Let the rest ride. Hopefully you get a home run. I don't know. And thank you, Blazing Heart. I appreciate that. Um, but yeah, dude. Definitely be careful who you follow. There's a lot of people out there that are not helping you. They're actually teaching you very bad habits, like very bad. So be careful for sure. Um, that's all I can say about that. And that's why I have so many people call me and ask me about these different people, and they're blowing tons of money on them, and they're not even learning anything. If you're gonna spend money, make sure you're learning stuff. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. You need to understand stocks, be able to trade stocks consistently and profitably before you start trading options. That's all I'm going to say. I trade options. I've had I think all of my biggest trades have come off of options. But all right, dude. Peace. Yeah, definitely be back tomorrow. Um as for options, yeah. They're tough. They're really hard. A lot of money in them, very powerful tools, but you got to use them the right way. And I'm going to talk about options in my chat. Uh, there are, I have, hold on. Yeah, I pay for this platform. I just looked it up. I was paying $150 for this, and then now I took off $30 worth of stuff that I don't even use, and now I'm paying $120 a month for this software. Uh, so, and the reason why I took off that stuff is because one, I wasn't using it. I have delta hedging is very, very I awesome. Learn that. That's very useful. You're gonna have to learn a lot about options to fully understand that, but that's very important. And I wouldn't be surprised if your friend actually makes really good money doing that. I try to hedge my delta all the time, and it really helps. It- oh my gosh, trading is so filled with emotions. So yeah, but look at CRON. Keep going down, dude. I want that 1156 line. I agree. It's pure it's so much emotion. And that's why there's so many ways you can win. And I can definitely help people that are losing constantly because I know I've had 5-digit losses before in a matter of like minutes. You know how hard that is? It's nuts. You got to be nuts to do this. But it's super rewarding too. Um, Like today for me, the reason why I have such nice trades is because they're stress free. I was down, I wanted to add, okay, I was down for not even, let's look. I was down for less than 1 minute and I've been green the rest of the day, and this is a sick move. I'm up 50 cents a share. Awesome. Keep it up. No, like don't you have to learn different setups. You have to learn different strategies. Uh, and you don't have to trade every day. Oh, perfect. CRON. Die, die, die. Don't overtrade. Don't overtrade, and don't trade too big. Exactly what Blazing Heart is saying. There's so many things that you need to learn. Like I said, I want that 1156 line on CRON. Where is my... Let's just take a look at yesterday, though. Oh, Oh, no, we're not. I want 1156. I want 1156 on CRON. That's my goal. That's a home run. Maybe not a home run. It's not a grand slam, but it's a dinger. It's a solo shot for sure. Get through that 70 area. It's too late now. I would say it's got to be too late now. I already have CRON puts, but it kind of has already like moved 50. I'm up 60 cents a share. That's like that's kind of late. You got to see that before. Options are always priced in. But yeah, hopefully that'll cause people to start selling or something. I'll be right back. I had to use the bathroom. I'm waiting for CRON to hit 1156. And if it rebounds, then I cover on the red to green move. All right, I'm back. So, what's everyone trading? What tickers is everyone trading? So, this 1170 area is proving to be some support, right? And this is level 2. I can likely that. Uh, thing about the market that we're in is no matter what is said, it's bullish. It doesn't even matter at this point. There's so much. There's things that go on the news and I'm like, oh shit, this is not good. Market rallies 1%, 2%. I'm like, what? I just laugh. And, I think that we're just kind of in that point in the market cycle. Oh, hold on, this is about to go under. Let's see if we can get this taken out. So 433. What was that? 450 times 100 times 11.70. So someone's covering or buying $500,000 worth of CRON. Probably a good signal to take some off. So I'm gonna cover some here. Covered some there, and I'm gonna let the rest ride. Um, I can't short TLROI. Man, I hope this thing squeezes all. This is the bastard I lost money on yesterday. Stock is tough. It's a fraud. They own the float. Ouch. Look at that. 57 cents. 42 to 57. You just made so much money. You don't know what's gonna do that though. You're crazy. I'm not crazy like that. I stick to my strategy, but that is whoa. Whoa. That's a lot of money, dude. I would never hold that, so I'm not even gonna figure out how much money I would have made if I got filled, but that's a lot of money. Never would have held that. I would have been out at 48 cents. Maybe held some for 50. Will likely been out after that. All right, so now I'm just watching CRON. This came really close to hitting my line at 190. If I was scaling in, I maybe would have got off not that much, but that would have been a sick move. 50 cents. Um, all right, here's what I've noticed on CRON. I'm watching it on my other screen. I still have some short, but When there's a wall, okay, this is support. Not only is it support on the chart, there is a wall of buyers at 1170. When someone's buying 500,000 of a company, I'm gonna take notice. This is level 2, this box in the top right. So the reason why I took some off at 73, I think I got filled. Yeah, 73 is because there's a wall of support here. So until that gets broken through, we'll probably get a little bounce. If it goes green, I'm out. I'm out, done for the day. So, right, if the bid is stacking, that's buyers. Bid buyers, ask sellers. You're selling a house, you're asking for 300,000. You're buying a house, you bid to buy. You bid whatever you want. So sellers ask, when you see a big wall of sellers, let's look at IGC. Not a big wall of sellers there. Let's maybe NBEV. Nope, not one there either. It's because those are tough plays right now. I'm crying on the inside a little bit on Tandem. I sold. That's my baby. That was me. I freaking nailed that thing. That was the coolest thing ever. Alright, so when you see a wall, um, this is like the type of thing I would go over in this chat that I'm making, right? I mean, I don't know. They might go up a couple percent. I mean, I don't know. You know, weed stocks are way overvalued right now. Extremely overvalued. But that's all right. I mean, a lot of stuff is overvalued in our market. TLRY bubble. The weed stocks are kind of in a bubble. Mini bubble. All right. So wall of okay, we'll come back. Let's just watch CRON, right? We have we have 600. Well, it's really more than 600. Someone's buying 60,000 shares of CRON. Are they a short seller covering? I don't know. Are they taking profits? I don't know. Are they buying? I don't know. But this is creating support. Their order is creating support in the stock. And that means there's a wall of buyers. Buyers are demand. Sellers are supply. Buyers are demand. If there's a lot of buyers, if there's more buyers than sellers, the stock will go up. If there's more sellers than buyers, stock will go down. So write that down. Supply, demand, buyers are demand. People that want something, they buy it. Suppliers, they sell something. Yes. I would love to see this battle at 1170, and I would love to see the sellers win. That's what I'm sticking around for. All right, dude. Go get that. Go get that sleep. I didn't sleep at all last night, but I'll bet you I'll sleep good tonight. 'Cause I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I gotta... Yeah, okay. And also, um, I actually have a rule. Uh, the rule is, and this is what, so when I used to trade part-time, like I trade all day, every day. If you've seen some of my streams, they last from like 9 or 8:40 till 4, sometimes 4:30. All right, here's that war. Let's see if we can get someone to keep hitting the bid and take that wall of buyers out, right? We're watching here. This is the orders. We're watching to see who's hitting that. And this could be fake. It doesn't look like it is though. All right. Not that many sellers there. All right, one more time. 50. 200. 350. 500. Slowly chipping away. Slowly chipping away. Yeah, for me, 100%. After 10:30, lowering the amount of shares I use for sure. Unless I'm in a trade that's working for me. If the trade's going against me, I'm out. I don't even like trading after 10:30. Yeah. But okay, here's the thing about being a full-time trader that's really difficult is especially for me, I love watching stocks. It's hard for me to not trade something when I see it. And I don't have to trade. And it's something that I struggle with is I don't have to trade all day. I woke up, I saw a couple plays I liked, I played them, and now I could be done after CRON because this is part of trading. This is like my job is I have to stay for this move. This is me. This is my move. I can't if I just call it a day after making a couple $100 and I'm not gonna make a living off that. This is my move. I want to make as much money as possible. I stay for this move. This isn't overtime. This is my job. If that makes sense. No. No, no, no. Like I think that's such a misconception about trading, right? This isn't a job where you come to work every day and you make a paycheck, right? You don't come here to the market and say, "Oh, I'm going to make $200 and call it a day." Because you're going to have days where you lose, right? When I want my winners to be as fat as possible. I want them to be fucking huge. I want them to be huge. And I want my losers to be small because I know I'll have days where I'm red. I'll have days that I come to the market and I lose, right? So when I come to the market and I have a play like CRON, I need to be slamming that. I need to be crushing this trade. And that's why I'm not leaving until I crush this trade. I am crushing this trade. And this isn't giving me a real bounce to keep adding. This isn't an A++ setup. This is a good setup. This is relative weakness to the market. All the other marijuana stocks are green. CRON is red, right? I'm not capping how much money I make. I'll cap how much money I lose, not capping how much money I make. Rule. Write it down. That's a rule. What's up, Alex? How you doing, dude? All right, let's get through these 1170. All right, nothing, nothing. 100 shares. I hope so. We got to get through this wall that just keeps building at 1170. 100, 100, 400. It, I don't even know what's going on. Boom. Oh my gosh. Hell yeah. This is why. This is why. I don't know why my level 2 wasn't working. See ya. See ya. CRON. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. So now we're getting to the point. Um, we're getting to the point where CRON is really dropping hard relative to the rest of marijuana. Let's see if this 64 gets taken out. Nope. All right, next leg. Dude, L33 dir. Join my chat. I'll teach you everything I know. Everyone join my chat. Some guys get the hookup. I'm not the expert. I named my channel that, but I didn't realize you couldn't change it. I'm starting Discord. I'm starting a Discord channel. It's not free though. Sorry. It's not free. I have years and years of secrets that I'm sharing with you guys, and I don't have to, but I am because I get so many questions on how to do this. Go, baby, go. Die, Ciora win. Die, 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 die. But no, guys, seriously, the Discord's not set up, but I'm going to be adding so much stuff that I've learned over the years there. It's going to take time to add it all. And my goal is to be able to help people seriously. Uh, I'm 24. I'm about to be 25. My birthday is coming up soon. But I've been trading for 6 years about. And it took me a long time to learn this stuff. Like it takes a long time. Like, oh, this is a lot of experience. Like for years, this is what I do every day. I've learned a lot. So, and like I know I'm on a hot streak. Like I'm nailing a lot as of I mean this week I've just destroyed everything. But I'll hit a cold streak and that's when it's hard to explain, but that's when you need to be so mentally tough. And I want to build a community where we can go to talk to each other. I want everyone to know what I know. I want everyone to be able to see the things that I see, talk to each other in the chat, and help each other and help new members learn, help members like me I'm in a when I'm in a slump, get through that slump. Um, it's gonna be sweet. How much is it gonna be? It's gonna be $65 a month. Now, if you think that's a lot, the kid in here with the $500 account made $24 in one day. I'm not saying you're gonna win every day, but you guys can make $65 a month. I promise. And even if you don't have that much money, you can like 65 bucks, you can cut out a couple of expenses, but you guys are gonna learn so much. If you wanna, like, I don't know if anyone went to college. I went to college. I dropped thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in college. And I mean, I don't really use my degree that much, right? I install water heaters. Uh, um, I don't really use my degrees at all, but I've spent thousands of dollars on them, and I continue to do so. But I'm going back. I want to try to go back to school. That's why I, I really want to try to pay for college with something, because college is really expensive. No more student debt. Out of that, no debt. So yeah, I want to go back to college, and I want to keep my money in my brokerage account. But yeah, no, we can definitely make some money, dude. And it's not set up yet. Uh, is there DM on YouTube? Nice. I just opened up a Bank of America account. Hashtag bullish. No, I'm just kidding. I did open up a Bank of America account, but I don't know how bullish it is. Uh, Alex, you can DM me on my Instagram account. I'll post it to the YouTube chat. Uh, if uh, if I can post it to YouTube. All right, so a quick other thing to learn, right? You see how on CRON, ooh, so this is either a good time to buy right off this bounce, but if it goes green to red, be very careful. All right, sweet. Yeah, Alex, I just posted that in the YouTube chat. Just DM me because the Discord's not ready yet. I don't, not a Discord. I gotta sit and figure out how to actually make the Discord. But yeah, we're gonna be on there. It's gonna be sick. Uh, I don't really know how Discord works, but hopefully okay, so I think it will work because the the dudes that run the website that I'm doing this through, this website, these kids are geniuses, right? This is a brand new social media website. You guys should hop on. If it blows up, you blow up. I don't know. It'd be cool, I guess, to have followers. I don't know if you're into that stuff. But this is it, and I don't know how to, like, this is my profile, but the chat will take you to Discord. Discord will take you to uh, my chat or my Discord. It'll take you to my Discord once you pay. I don't know. I don't have everything figured out yet. I gotta still learn how Discord works. I've never used it, but yeah, it'll be sweet. Just started a Twitter. Oh, I was such a headache. Whoa. Wow. Crazy. With the Discord, you have to get the usernames of people that pay so they can join the private groups unless there's a way that only people can pay to join the link. Otherwise, anyone could just join if they pay the fee and they get the link. All right. I'll have to look into that. I'm gonna talk to the kids that run the website. They've been encouraging me to do this. Um, I agreed that I would do this for them too. This was never my goal. I kind of just, you know, when I started this Instagram account, you never know the people that are gonna message you. I get hundreds of messages a week, so these kids, they're not kids, these guys messaged me with this really great idea, asked me to be along, be part of the team, so I'm gonna try it. They set up this whole program with this idea, and they asked me to do this idea that they came up with, so I'm gonna try it. I'm sure they have it figured out. I just have to talk to them because I don't have it figured out per se. So hopefully they figured everything out already. That would be ideal. Um, dude, that Ricky kid, I think he's a little bit of a scam. I don't want to call anyone a scam. You do what you got to do to make money, but trading stocks, that kid does not like. I don't think he's making this trade, and this is a trade. Like, I don't know if he's calling the bottom of CEI and nailing it. I mean, look, it went to 58. If I was a if I was the best trader in the world, I would have shorted it here, bought it here, covered, I mean, sold it here, reshorted it. I can't do that, but there are some things I can do, right? I can do research on Tandem and say it's a buy at $3 and sell it at 45. Did I sell it at 50? No. Did I sell it at 45 on the way down? Yeah, I got lucky as hell. I got out in time. It crashed all the way down to 34. Why didn't I buy it back at 34? I I can't see into the future, but I can. I don't think you can even swing trade penny stocks. If he's trading these kind of stocks, I don't know. And that's why this is one of the reasons why I try to be completely transparent with my Robinhood account because I don't mind sharing this, but you can actually see that I'm up $1,500 year to date, and this is a little account. Like, I don't know. And I mean, I'll share my all time. It's like about the same, I think. 30%. But like I said, in the beginning, I was trying a different strategy. And that's the one thing, the difference between paper trading and real trading is the emotional aspect will change you. So that's why it's hard. It's good to paper trade, but it's hard to translate your paper trading profits to real trading profits because that emotional pull will be completely different. Unless you're really good at pretending that your paper money is real money. If that makes sense. Tough, but that's how it works. All right. Let's see how the daily's doing on my Robinhood account. A push. I gotta get out of my MJ. I don't know. I thought this was a good trade. I just don't think it is. Gotta get out of that. Um, yeah, I'm gonna work on the Discord later. I gotta run a couple errands. I gotta go to the bank and do some other stuff before I focus on the Discord, but that'll be coming. So, options are very powerful tools. You can use them. Okay, like I said about Ross, I don't know how, like, I don't know what he did, but I do know one thing. I don't know the numbers, but I know one thing. I think when I went into that chat room, the dude had thousands of people in there. How many people are in there? Are you sub to him, Stackin' guy? Or Stackin' G? Oh, I subbed to him. I might even I might even still have that membership. What's today's date? How the hell do you even get into the chat room? Yeah, Robinhood's a sweet place to trade. Definitely keep working on Robinhood. I use it as one of my accounts. Um, Okay. He's got over 800 people in here right now. He's got 800 people following his trades. Like, yeah, of course. If you can't make money doing that, you're really, really bad at trading. Because the day I watched him, he bought a stock, a low float stock that was not even moving. He bought it for no reason. That thing freaking shot up like it shot up like 30%. I was like, "Oh my God, that's not real. That would never happen to like no one." He's not teaching any of these people to be self-sufficient, and that's my goal. You sub to my chat, I'm going to help you be self-sufficient, and at the end of it, you're going to want to stay because you're going to want to be part of the community, hopefully. Because that's where like the fun is. And just like me doing, I don't have to sit on Twitch and do this, but it's actually fun. I like doing this. This is the first time in my life that I've had people that also trade to sit and talk to. It's sick. It's awesome. It's literally so much fun. Yeah, dude, like in the chat, like chatting on the chats is fun. And that's why I want to make this I want to help these kids, these guys. I want to help myself, but I also know that I can help a lot of other people trading. So why it's there's no reason for me not to do it when I could be doing it and helping a lot of people. I've already helped a lot of people on my Instagram account. I know for a fact because I get so many thank yous every day and it's very rewarding. It's super rewarding. And me keeping all of the stuff that I've accumulated over time to myself isn't like it's sweet making money, but I don't think me spreading my knowledge and like here's another thing. Like I said, once AMD goes red, it's broken. You can either short that move if you're bearish, but long I'd be careful. Um, but yeah, like I didn't just learn all this stuff on my own, like I emailed people, I read books, I did so much stuff. I've listened to interviews of people, hedge fund managers, like so much stuff. And it's like why I should be that person to a lot of other people too. And I need to stop letting like there's people out there just scamming people like so bad. It's so ridiculous. And the only way to stop that is to fight them like sup add more supply to their market and that'll stop them from cheating people. Get under that 1160 area, please. And also another thing that the chat will help is it'll help me not have to trade every day as well. Because I can sit and explain things to people instead of sitting and trading. So that could also help. I have a TD Ameritrade brokerage account. I have a Thinkorswim account. Uh, okay. I'm gonna try to do a video on the brokers. I'm only gonna do three brokers. I'm gonna do interactive brokers. I'm going to do interactive brokers, Robinhood, and Thinkorswim. I love one tool in TD Ameritrade, and it is the on-demand feature. If you want to learn how to day trade, use that thing every day. I've only used it a few times, but oh my God, I wish I had that when I started. It saved me thousands of dollars. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can pull up my account. And like, I guess I'll share this account too because I don't have a ton of money in it. Uh, I am killing it in this account relative to my account size. I think I'm up over 100%, but I don't use it that often, which is my own fault. I should use it more. But it's hard to like trade through, it's hard to trade three accounts. So like I make more trades in Robinhood because I don't know. Because I share Robinhood on, that's why, because I share Robinhood on my Instagram. Um, and then, my Thinkorswim account kind of just gets left in the dust. All right. Oh, it's so perfect. Robinhood is so great. I love it. Anyone that is new to trade hard, that's like, oh my gosh, they were taking away. If I made $100 and now I only made 85. Robinhood, you make $100, you make $100. It's sick. It's so sick. Mm, well, hopefully I don't give away my freaking account info. Um, this is the on-demand button right here. You click it, bam, on demand. It's sweet. It's useful. It's super cool. Yeah, oh, I mean, I don't know. I hope it's not I hope it's not a big deal. I don't have that much money in there. I don't want it stolen though, but this is the on-demand feature and then you go like right here. I can change the date, I think. Oh, right here. You change the date, right? And you know what? Oh no. I'm screwed. Good thing I only got like 15 people on here watching me. Um, but you go on here, you change the date, find the setup. I have actually a list. I used to write down trades so I can share those in the chat, which I think will be useful. I gotta find them first. I don't know. This is so sick. This is such a sweet tool. Have to use it. If you're trying to learn and you're not using this, you're done. You're done. This is a great tool. Use it every night before bed. I'm about to get filled on CRON. Give me that. Fill me already. Jeez. Oh, bam, got me. Oh shit. You know what? I just went long this stock because I bought too much. It's alright. This is about to bounce really quick. Oh no, it's not. Look at that order at 59. 300,000. Yeah, hit the bearish scanner and now it's bullish. Dude, that's a freaking sick trade on CRON. So stoked. So stoked. So stoked. So stoked. All right. And I'm out. All right, so I accidentally bought too much. I've been doing that a lot. I don't know why, but all right, that's that trade. That's a sick, sick, sick win. I'm super happy with that. That was a monster that snapped. There's still room. And guys, look how precise these are, right? You think it's by chance that I played it off the same exact line the other day? No, it's not by chance. Like these covers are pretty close. 95 at 1202. Ah. Um I just covered CRON. I was short from 12:30 and I covered my final bit at 11:56. Yeah, no, this thing will go back to 7. The thing is it hasn't bounced yet, and that's the thing that's tough. On a bounce, if this bounces all the way up to like 1185, reshort. Reshort if it can't go red to green, reshort it. Um you got to watch the price action. So think about this. If say let's just say someone was buying those 60,000 shares, that $500,000 at 70, now they're down 20 cents a share. They're like, "Oh shit, I'm an idiot. Sell, drive the price down." That's what you can look for. Um but yeah, that's it. I nailed that. That was awesome. I got to come back later and see how this thing plays. Okay, one more quick lesson before I go, because I got to head out. But see this wall of buyers at 1150. Not uncommon, a very common, but that is a lot of buyers. That is $1.25 million worth of people buying, of buy orders. I don't know if those are shorts covering. I don't know what that is, but just keep that in mind. So, I don't know. That's sweet. Here's that BS stock that I missed. It's no liquidity though, so I couldn't really make any money, I guess. I want IGC to please squeeze high. Please squeeze higher. Go back to 280. NBEV. Squeeze higher. Go back to 6. I don't care. Hopefully. Um. All right. Awesome. All right. That's sweet. That was awesome. I'm stoked on today. I wasn't expecting much. That CRON move was so sweet. Very happy I did that. I got a nice win on CGC too. Nothing crazy, but definitely fun. Definitely a good day. I'm gonna have to end the stream here. I'm going to hopefully come back on later, maybe. If not, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow my Instagram. I'll be letting you guys know about the Discord and some other stuff. Thank you guys for following me. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. Good luck on the rest of the day. I hope everyone is making a bunch of money today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow no matter what. Same time, like around 8:40 to 9 o'clock. Peace. Thanks, guys.